Attaching hardwood edging to a plywood panel is usually a pretty simple process. Using a couple pin nails or some painter's tape holds the edging in place while the glue dries. But when Dennis Voles of Denver, Colorado needs a little bit extra clamping pressure when applying edging, he reaches for a stack of inner tubes that he's cut from an old bicycle tire. He cuts them about 5 inches. That way, he can take an inner tube and grab a spring clamp and insert both ends of the inner tube onto the spring clamp. Then, he can push down on the edging, and the inner tube applies a little bit of down pressure while the spring clamp holds the inner tube to the edges of the panels. It's a pretty cheap and inexpensive solution for a little bit extra clamping pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Now, every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.